Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the free version of Claude AI without running into limits too quickly in 2026. So if you're getting blocked after a few messages or hitting usage caps, yeah, this guide will help you manage it smarter and get more out of the free plan. First, you need to understand how the free plan works. Claude doesn't give unlimited messages. It uses a rolling usage system that resets after a few hours depending on activity and demand. Next, keep your prompts short and clear. So, long or complex prompts use more processing power, which means you hit limits faster. Try not to run extremely long chats in one session. I mean, long conversations build up context, and that increases usage much faster than new short chats. A simple trick is starting new chats when switching topics. Yeah, this helps reduce unnecessary context buildup and keeps your usage lighter. Another important tip is using Claude during off-peak hours. When fewer people are online, you usually get more stable and longer sessions. Instead of sending many small messages, combine your questions into one well-structured prompt. So yeah, fewer messages often means longer usage time, and that's how to use Claude AI free version more efficiently in 2026. Once you understand how usage limits work and optimize your prompts, you can get much more value without upgrading right away. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI tips and productivity tutorials. Hey everyone.